I built this n8n workflow to automatically process the incoming sales call audio and transcribe them and convert them into a highly structured CRM nodes and save them in our GoHighLevel CRM. So yeah, let's see the demo first. Later, I can explain each node one by one and how this particular thing will work on them. I'm going to send a recorded call audio and a mobile number to the webhook and let's see what will happen. Okay, perfect. The execution was a success. And let's see the go high level notes. Yeah, it created a summary of the whole call audio. So that's how the whole thing will work. Now let me explain you each node one by one so that you will understand the data flow inside the automation. So firstly, the webhook, we have to send the voice call audio and the mobile number to this particular webhook along with the header authentication key that we have set it for right here. So after that, the received mobile number will be checked against whether the mobile number is empty or not, mobile number field is empty or not. Because we have to be verifying whether that particular mobile number is in our high level CRM or not. So for that reason, we have to be done this particular pre-check. But after that, if the particular contact will be, found in the Go High Level CRM, then it will return a contact details like this along with the contact ID. So we will check whether uh, there is a contact ID or not with this particular if node. And after that, we will be extracting the binary data from the webhook node, which we received right here. Because by doing these pre-checks, the binary data will miss in this particular node. So for that reason, we have to be grab the particular binary data and keep it here. See, in this particular code node, our voice call audio as a binary data was already received. And after that, we will be sending that particular binary voice call audio to for transcribing, which was nothing but it will simply converts the whole thing as a you know English text. So nothing much. After that, we will be fetching for the user notes so that if there is, we will be checking the previous previous user nodes so that we can perform this particular custom logic where we will check whether the particular user node is created under 30 days or not. So based on those things, this particular thing will be happened in the so the LLM will generate a node continuation to the previous nodes so that it won't create any random things and all. So everything is very personalized and thing. So after that, we will simply create a node to that particular contact, which was nothing here. So after that, we'll completely log everything to the Google Sheet, and after that, we will send the response back to the system where the webhook actually being sent. So that's how the whole system will work.